Hi YouTube friends, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. This is your Market Minute update and this is your daily brief on what's happening in real estate in Ada County and Boise in particular. So for Ada County, from the information from the multiple listing service that is my membership, we've gathered that information and at the end of the month pull that information so that you can have a very up-to-the-minute analysis of what's happening. Today's March 6th, so this information is pulled at the end of the month. That would be February 29th. Data is gathered and then it's input and sent over to us on the 4th. So we have two different categories. We have new construction and then we have the existing, that means resale market, and they're both very different. And what we track is the average sold price, not the median. So it's taking all the solds and then averaging that. And just in a simple term, what we're really looking for is real estate going down? Is it going up? How many homes are on the market? How many are going pending? And how many are selling in any month? So it's really good information so that we can know, hey, is the market going up? Is it flatlining? Is it going down again? So last year in Ada County, we ended the year with a negative for the existing home market, 3.1%. And this year in Ada County, we're at about 512 homes at the end of February, which is what I said kind of last week with the market update. And that is in resale. And then the new construction inventory, as we've been talking about, it is on the rise. It's going up for sure. We had 664 new construction homes on the market. We really want new construction to be a couple of hundred more in our market at least than the existing resale, because what happens is if you have that, if that gets so tight, then resale gets higher than it really should, because then there's not as much new construction available. So the existing market starts looking like new construction pricing, which is just really interesting. So it's always good to track all of that. In the new construction pendings and solds, we had 215 sold and 677 pendings, which is a huge surge. So just for instance, in the existing market, that was not the case in Ada County. We had 320 solds and 405 pendings. So you can see how much of a new construction surge we had for the month of February. That's huge. And then let's also look at their pricing. So they actually flatlined with 0% increase or decrease. So they're at 0%. Their average sold price in new construction in Ada County, gathering all solds, is $624,285, and last year it was $624,170. So it's, give or take, a few dollars. However, last year is when we saw the big decline in new construction. A lot of people are saying they're waiting for some kind of crash. Well, when I tell you this number, you're going to go, okay, so 10% is the expected amount that does not indicate a crash, but definitely a price adjustment. So we went down in new construction 10.5%. So that's a negative 10.5%. So not a crash, but definitely a very strong decline, which is what people wanted, right? Now that we flatlined, that means things aren't going up. That means things aren't going down. They're just staying the same, which is encouraging, which is why people are buying new construction. And then let's take a look at what's happening in the existing resale market. It went down that negative 3.1%, remember? Well, the average sold price last year was $594.96. Today, it's $595, $543, and we are up 0.9%, almost 1%. So is this going to be an upward trend? Usually our spring market is the highest selling for the highest amount. So it is not surprising that in Ada County, we will go up in spring market. Flatlining is really interesting. I think that's because there's a carryover from all the builder credits that are given during the winter for people to purchase, and then those closes don't happen until February, sometimes 30, 60 days later, because people are purchasing homes whilst they're being built. So that makes sense. But pretty cool market dynamics today. I'm feeling really encouraged about the market, and it is anybody's ball game at this point. We still have buyers in the market buying homes, definitely a lot slower to purchase and a lot more choosy, I would say, and more discerning. So if you want another market update on a particular pocket, let's say the North End, for instance, or Northwest Boise or Eagle. Eagle has been historically going up, but you'll be surprised that last month they actually went down, just a scotch, but down. So things do decline in Eagle in the winter. Actually, Eagle doesn't start to prop there. Spring is very late. So they really don't really increase until that end of April, beginning of May. Reason why is that Eagle tends to be a lot of people with kiddos in school and don't even think about moving or purchasing property until their kids are, who wants to move in the middle of a school year, right? So that's normally what happens in Eagle. So just to let you know that, but I would love to have a conversation with you about your real estate related plans, any of your 2024 or 2025, or even if you're thinking about purchasing property outside of the Treasure Valley. I have a lot of associates that I am partners with in other states, and they're incredible people that I have vetted that are highly professional. I'm on a WhatsApp chat that has over 250 agents across the nation and some in other countries as well. So I do have a wealth of information at my access so that I can give you, a great recommendation for an agent. And as always, be safe, be happy, and be home in Idaho. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. The Market Minute Update happens every week, or not every week, but every month. And if you want more videos like this on a more consistently weekly basis, I'm happy to do that too. So I hope you have a great evening, great day, and a great rest of your week. Bye-bye.